Subscribe now. Subscribe now and let's start cooking.
Stop scrolling. If you love crispy potato snacks, you have to try this recipe. It is super crunchy on the outside, soft the inside, and incredible easy to make. Let's get started. First, take 5 medium-sized potato and peel off the skin. Cut them into thin strips. Soak the potato strips in cold water for 15 to 20 minutes to remove the extra starch. Potatoes completely dry, transfer to potato strips to a large mixing bowl. Add half cup of Maida, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half spoon oregano, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste. Mix everything well until the potatoes are evenly coated. Heat all in a deep pan over medium heat. Carefully add the coated potato strips and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once they're perfectly fried, remove them from the oil and place them on paper towel or absorb the excess oil. Finally, transfer them to serving plate. Serve hot with tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, or your favorite dip. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next video.